Welcome to a captivating journey as we delve into the world of luxury interior design, where 13 magnificent living rooms in grand houses showcase the timeless beauty of travertine stone. In this exclusive tour, you'll witness the remarkable transformation that occurs when opulence meets the natural elegance of this exquisite stone material. The focal point of these living rooms is undoubtedly the impressive travertine wall cladding, a masterpiece that both complements and elevates the entire space. Its textured surface exudes a sense of grandeur and sophistication, setting the stage for a truly luxurious experience. High-end furnishings take center stage, featuring plush sofas, designer coffee tables, and elegant lighting fixtures that add a touch of glamour to these already breathtaking interiors. The warm color palettes, inspired by the picturesque Californian landscape, envelop you in an inviting embrace, making these living rooms the epitome of comfort and style. If you're as captivated by these designs as we are, don't forget to show your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. These spaces are not just places to dwell, but havens to savor and indulge in the finer things life has to offer.